What's going on, everybody? Mowdy Rides here, bringing you another Jixer Gang video. Doing the same old business, you know. Gonna go get some food, enjoy the day. Nice sunny day today. But first, we're gonna go pick up the buddy Eric, because you know he was partying out too long last night. So we gotta make sure you know he's safe, and then pick him up. You know, drag his ass out of bed. Damn, son, getting them gains in. There you go, Arnold. But yeah, we got the same squad up in here today. We got two new people added to the video. But typical person is Andrew on the CBR, and then we got a special guest coming from fucking I don't know where. I think like an hour and a half, 2 hours away. George, aka Trick Wonders. He's over there in the back in the R1. Link down in the description for his channel. Go check him out if you guys want. He moto vlogs as well, but he just has a better bike than me, obviously. And then we also got my buddy Paulo. I've known him since, you know, high school. We used to ride back in the day when I had my old bike. But now he got himself a sexy ass Yamaha R6 2007. And golly, is that bike beautiful, man. What up, dude? How you doing?
What up?
You ready, mijo?
Go.
You ready to get your gains on?
Huh?
You ready to get your gains on?
Fuck yeah, I need to eat something for the gym.
Alright guys, just picked up the homie Eric. You guys have seen him on my previous videos as well. We're gonna go get our gains on. We're gonna go eat some grub, all that good stuff. But let's go. All right, we made it. We get some grub. Then we'll be back. We will be back. Damn, squad rolling deep. Look at all these fools. Just for you, baby. Oh shit. What did he say? Where did he say?
Let's go fucking the one.
The one?
Yeah, go to Santa Monica. I don't want to go City Walk. I already been there.
Hey, let's take the one just all straight down.
Let's go to Santa Barbara. Better. Check out the girls.
Where?
Actually, let's just go to Venice. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, fuck it. You guys down for Venice Beach?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Yeah?
Okay, bro.
Yeah? For check your gas. Alright, I'll pump gas later. I'll be good. That shit was funny. Hey, you'll be good. Oh shit. Got a biker gang over there. So right now we're just gonna head up to what was it? Venice Beach. Just cruise around, you know, do a couple hooligan shit over there. So it's gonna be a bunch of freeway action, so I'll be with you guys once we get over there.
1 hour later.
Hey, you good? Alright, so we fucking made it. We're almost there. Holy fuck. We didn't speed or anything on the way over here, so obviously I'm not gonna show that long ass fucking ride, but trust me, it wasn't anything special. Your gas cap. Close it. Wait a. God damn! Bunch of fucking traffic, man. We could lane split, but we'll be on the sidewalk and there's a bunch of people here, so I ain't even taking that risk. Fuck that shit, bro. There it is. We're here. Damn. Fucking bitch. Yo, I'm fucking tired, dude. My ass hurts. Paulo, I bet you're fucking burning up. You both of you guys are burning up, huh? That shit gets hot as fuck. No, the bike. That bike gets hot off quick. Holy fuck, is that a dog or a bear? You see it? Holy fuck. Push start.
The race for bicycle is gonna be $10 each. The race one is $10 each.
Well, we only need one.
Only one bicycle?
No, one of them could fit it. No.
The race $10 each bike.
$10 each bike?
Yeah. $10 each bicycle.
Alright, how do we get out? Damn, it's fucking hot. Woo-wee. Hey, fool, go park your bike right. Go park your bike right. And give you a ticket. Yeah? Back tire has to hit the curb. We're gonna go fuck around over there at the beach for a little bit and then we'll ride back home. Huh, Paulo? Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna dip out already, but you guys haven't subscribed to Trick Wonders, link down in the description. Go check him out. We're gonna part ways. He's all the way in Long Beach, so we're closer to him. Oh, cool. He stalled. Fucking fool. Pump some gas and head home. Hell yeah, brother. Ah, fuck. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Riding with the homie Paulo. We got my buddy Andrew, fucking Eric over there with the 636. My boy George came down from freaking, where'd he say? Fucking Long Beach. So yeah, he already dipped home. But that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any feedback on the video. Subscribe if you're new. This is Marty Rise, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to white, so I two-toned it. Taking these drugs.